Give it to me, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, cryptocurrency theory. You give it to me, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Cryptocurrency Theory, guys. The best goddamn crypto show on the internet, right? How about that, YouTube? Go ahead and monetize that. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are checking out opportunity stuff today. We are going through some cryptos that might be on the radar, at least on my radar, for people that are coming in, people that are unsure about where to go in this crypto stuff. Obviously, as prices go up, we've run into an issue, guys. As prices go up, as halvings come into effect, we run into issues on which might be the best crypto for someone coming in that really doesn't know too much about crypto, right? Guys, what's going on? Welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Cryptocurrency Theory, guys. Give everybody a second to get down to the greatest channel in the world. Let's see if anybody's already here. We're going to go through some prices, guys. I'm going to give you guys my rundown on why I think some of these coins basically are more opportunistic than others, right? That's kind of the thing here. There's a lot of crypto, guys. There's 2 million different ones. It can be a bit challenging, especially when everybody on the internet's talking about coins that are basically just dog shit. So we got a lot of coins moving, guys. Let's start there. Let's go through the list here. Let's go through some of these prices rundown. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on with this stuff. What the hell is going on? Oh my God. Oh my God. Crypto prices are going crazy right now, guys. We got Neo climbing right now. We got Shiba Inu. We got Rats, which is a ERC or a meme token. Pepe, guys, up almost 400%. You know what I find really funny, guys, is the same people that were talking about Pepe on its way up, I guess they're not getting paid anymore because Pepe is up 400% and not a lot of people online talking about it that have been like regularly talking about it, which leads me to believe we were actually spot on back last year. What was it around? What was it, March last year? I don't know how long Pepe's been around. Actually, it's actually quite the common crypto now at this point. But I remember, guys, basically like every crypto YouTuber was talking about Pepe last May, and like none of them are talking about it now, which leads me to believe, like, God damn, you guys must not be getting paid to promote this coin anymore, which is kind of the thing here. So, guys, we're trying to go through the list here. We're waiting for people to get down here. We're waiting for people to get going here. Waiting for crypto to give us an idea of what to do here. There's a lot of coins that are I mean, it's a Monday, guys. Crypto YouTube's not as exciting on Monday for people because they go back to work. But if you guys can come down and watch the show on Monday, we'd like to have you down here because we're trying to give you crypto picks that we think might be, this is going to be kind of what we got going on here on this show, guys. We're going to kind of go through these, kind of maybe pull some of these charts up to BTC to try to see if there's any opportunity in some of these coins. And guys, I think there is a lot of opportunity, even though the coins are racing up. I can think of a couple coins off the top of my head, Ethereum Classic and Stellar Lumens. I mean, guys, I think these coins are going to go up soon. Based on what? Right? Based on fucking what? Well, based on the fact that they're on Robinhood. That's a starting point. Let's look at what's going on up till this point. Let's kind of slow down a little bit. Let's break everything down for you. I'm still trying to get my coffee in me here to fucking carry out the show. Man. Guys, welcome. Looks like we got some people rolling in the chat. Guys, drop it in the chat if you got time. If you're obviously not driving. Guys, Bitcoin.com and Jim and I keep lighting my phone up with reminders that crypto is going up. I don't know, is that like some new thing they're able to do now? Because like I didn't get notifications for fucking like years. And now all of a sudden all my exchange accounts are just sending me messages, hey, crypto's up, which I know it's up. Obviously I know it's up. I have a crypto channel, but it seems like the marketing campaign might be starting right now. All right, let's look at some of these prices, guys. Some of the coins, guys, we've been talking about on the channel obviously have edged down, but I think that's a lot of the reason they've edged down is because people have been opening up new positions in these coins and some of the momentum slowed a bit. I don't expect this to continue, guys. I expect the coins to go up even more that we've been talking about. But obviously some of the coins down today are the ones that have been going up the most. Bitcoin Cash, one of these, Litecoin edging down. So I think these coins, guys, are going to start moving separated from the BTC market because they already are. They already are kind of. If you look at the movements, the movements are kind of already a little bit different than just in line with the regular crypto market. And obviously, guys, the regular crypto market is where most people are at right now, right? A lot of these people aren't in these alternative coins, but we start looking at these alternative coins. We say, hey, there might be some opportunity in them. All right, there might be some opportunity in them. And also, guys, FYI, there's something going on with these secondhand selling ERC20 tokens. Apparently, they are securities, guys. But have you not noticed, like, the SEC and the regulatory people aren't really coming down on these kind of tokens now? Because at this point, with what we've seen with XRP, is there really even a point to? You know what I mean? Is there even a point to even come after these companies? Because the whole time, guys, the whole time you couldn't buy XRP on exchanges, I had no problem buying it. I had no problem getting it at all. Which leads me to believe, guys, they're beating a dead horse. The SEC is basically beating a dead horse. You're not going to be able to turn these cryptos off, more or less. You're not going to be able to shut them down. And we saw that from XRP. People were saying, "Oh, XRP is not going to be, it's going to be deemed a security." Well, that's fine and dandy, but anybody that knows how crypto works knows that anybody at any time could purchase XRP in the United States, regardless of the approval of the SEC or any of this stuff. And I'm not telling anybody to go out and break the law or anything like that. I'm just saying, from a fundamental level, it's starting to make less and less sense of these SEC and these regulatory people coming after crypto. That's all I'm saying. Guys, Shiba Inu cracking the register here. A lot of coins, guys, going a lot of places today. Obviously, a lot of the coins we're talking about on the channel regularly have kind of edged down a bit. But guys, be aware, the only reason these coins have gone down is because people have been piling in on them over the weekend. This isn't speculative stuff, guys. If a lot of people are piling in these coins, expect to see a little bit of a slowdown, right? A little bit of a slowdown in the coins that everybody's buying. I mean, it makes sense. We got Grayscale Bitcoin Cash, guys, and I was talking about this yesterday, and I'm still bullish on Ethereum Classic Trust. I know we sidestep into these stocks every once in a while, and the reason we do is because they follow crypto, and it presents opportunity. It's up 30% today, 35% for the week, and most of that's all today. But we're up 558% of the week on the year, guys. Absolutely killing it. This stock is trading at a high premium right now, guys. A very, very high premium. And I was making a video yesterday, guys, explaining that I think the ETCG stock has a lot of opportunity because it's trading at a discount, right? That's kind of the thing that we got going on the channel, is it's trading at a discount, which is, this discount might not be in place that much longer, guys. All right. I want you guys to be clear. You guys don't have access to crypto, and you guys are old-fashioned, and you guys have a Fidelity stock account or a Ameritrade or any of these guys. You guys can still get on crypto through these Grayscale stocks, and we've been talking a lot about them on the channel. I've redirected you to people on the internet that cover them a little bit more in depth. But this is going to be a big winner, guys, and you guys are going to look at me talk about this at some point. This is going to be opportunity, and this discount's going to do hey, Smooth Operator, what's going on, man? Hope you have a great day as well. Just kind of getting going here. We don't really have a large thing here, guys. I wasn't going to do a stream today. Usually we kind of Mondays are kind of this day where I try to figure out what the fuck I'm doing. It can be kind of a hard day for me to start the crypto channel, guys, because we do it all weekend. If you guys are into crypto, we take advantage of the weekend, guys, because people have the ability to take off from work and actually tune into the show and tune into the stream. And I know people can do it on Monday through Friday, but I also realize and understand that people have normal lives. I mean, not everybody's just sitting here obsessively following crypto like me. I know you guys got jobs and stuff like that, but we try to get on here regardless of the times, right? We're trying to get on here regardless of everybody's schedule, simply because, guys, crypto is a 24-hour thing. All right, it's a 24-hour market, and if we sleep just one day, I miss out on telling you guys my thoughts of the day. So my thoughts of the day, guys, are pretty much the same in every respect. I think that the main opportunity coins that we're going to see here in the short term, and even in the long, let's not even go in long term. Let's go in short term. The main coins that I think are going to be on the radar, on the channel that we're going to be following the most are going to be these coins on Robinhood. And I know a lot of them are already up, right? We've seen Shiba up today. Dogecoin went up 25% yesterday. And people were confirming what I was saying, guys. They were saying like, yeah, it's such an easy way for people that already have money in their brokerage account to pile in these cryptos. It's like, you guys have a very easy way into these. And that's why we're looking so closely at Ethereum Classic. That's why we're looking so closely on the radar here on these Robinhood coins, because that's where the most of the opportunity is going to flow into these, because people already have money sitting in these brokerage accounts. We saw this pan out last rally too. We saw pretty much every coin on Robinhood get maximized to its entirety. We saw these coins pump the most. We saw it in Doge, we saw it in Ethereum Classic, we saw it in a few other coins that went up but didn't go up as much. And since that point, guys, we've had a lot more different coins being able to be traded now on Robinhood. And I'm not saying Robinhood's the only place, guys. I'm just saying that a lot of brokerages are offering crypto to traders, and basically it's very easy for them to go in to a crypto position without having to open up a new account through, Coinbase or any of this stuff. And I think that's why a lot of the reason we're seeing the uptick in these coins specifically, guys. And not to mention SHIB and Doge and, Ethereum Classic, they all have great communities too. But I really do think the driving force is the Robinhood and the easy access that people have to these coins. Yeah, I'm bullish on Monero as well, Smooth Operator. I'm definitely. I mean, guys, Monero is, for one, badass, right? We can't not talk about how badass Monero is, but also, guys, the thing with Monero we got to watch out for is the fact that it's almost completely recovered from the Binance delisting in terms of dollars. But guys, look at the opportunity on Monero if you start looking at it against BTC. I mean, fuck, man. Smooth Operator, if you're still getting in on this coin, man, I think you're going to 10x your money. And I'll tell you why, or at least 5x your money in the short term, guys. And that 500%, by the way, that's only where Pepe and some other coins have been going, by the way. It's not just me pulling this stuff out of a fucking hat. Looks like BTC during the COVID crash. Yeah, and another coin to look at right before COVID was BSV, guys. If you guys don't remember, BSV. We'll go back to Monero. I just want to show you something here so you guys know I'm not full of crap here. If we look at BSV back during COVID, that was the last coin that pumped. That was actually the coin that pumped the most up till the COVID pandemic crash. You guys can see it right here. Where are we at? Actually, you know what? It was on Bitcoin that it pumped. I apologize. Let me pull that up for you. So BSV, obviously, right before COVID, 4 years ago, best performing coin on BTC in that period of time. That's been 4 years, guys. And I'm not trying to sell you on BSV. That's not really the point here. We do enough of that already. But I do believe people that watch the show, guys, have been piling into BSV based on my thoughts on it recently. I think that you guys have been purchasing BSV, and I'm not just saying that to hype it. I think you guys have been piling in on Bitcoin Cash too, and I think that's a lot of the reason the price is down, guys, is because everybody piled in on these coins, and now the prices have to redirect and find support levels and find stuff that they can break out of, obviously. If a lot of people are piling in at market price, expect the coin prices to go down, I think. But look at Monero, guys. We are down on Monero on BTC trading pair quite a bit, all right? Quite a bit. But guys, I want you to realize that quite a bit means quite a bit of opportunity, in my opinion, right? And that's kind of why you guys are coming into the chat. You guys are wanting to find the opportunity. Yeah, BSC down for a bit. Yeah, BCH has gone down. I'm going to assume that you meant Bitcoin Cash. But Bitcoin Cash, like I said, guys, the reason the coins, let me understand, let me be real clear on something. The reason some of these coins that we've been talking about here recently are going down is because people came in at those prices. Okay, be very clear. Don't be confused on what is going on here, guys. If everybody piled, notice that we had BTC running sideways on the weekend. It didn't go up. It just went up today. Bitcoin just went up today. BTC just went up today. It's been running sideways for the last 3 days. That's because the whole week prior, people were buying Bitcoin at that new high. So as people pile in, expect the coins to run sideways a minute. Don't expect, when we have a parabolic jump up, expect a little bit of sideways action, obviously, because people are coming in and they're buying these positions at 450, at 530 on Bitcoin Cash. So we expect that as people pile in these coins, the coin prices are likely going to go down, right? Because there's not going to be enough market sell orders. They're going to be matching up with the market buy orders. And at some point, that little thing is going to balance out a bit before we go up again. And that's kind of exactly what's happening. We got Quantum on the radar, guys. Qtum. We got the reason I mention these random coins, guys, that you might not have, any knowledge about. It's not because I'm pulling them out of a hat, guys. We're trying to look at timelines on the channel. And what we keep seeing is these same coins pop up. We see Quantum. We see Neo. We see Waves. And again, guys, if you guys were watching the channel, we saw this coin go all the way to $66 about 2 years ago on the live stream. And I'm not trying to sell you on these coin, guys. What I'm trying to tell you is we have a broader crypto movement. We have a broader crypto push happening right now. And I expect a lot of these coins to continue going up, guys. I mean, if BTC continues to go up, you can guarantee that other coins are going to go up as well, guys. If we see Ethereum go up, you can guarantee that we're going to see ERC20 tokens go up. And that's exactly what we're seeing, guys. That's what I'm trying to explain to you. That's why we're seeing coins like Pepe. That's why we're seeing meme tokens built on Solana like Bonk go up, is because the native cryptocurrency that these are traded on actually is holding in these higher upper bracket levels. That is why. So as we see these blockchains with their own native token like Solana, Ethereum, Cardano, as we see these go up, we are going to see other ERC20 tokens built on top of these platforms go up as well. And they're going to be more aggressively going up. And that's actually unfortunate for most people, guys, because a lot of people are going to be tricked into buying these. That's what I'm saying. A lot of people are going to move their money in the wrong positions. And rather than capturing potential gains they could have had, they're actually going to be caught in the trades that maybe aren't the best in terms of gaining Bitcoin or dollar amounts. That's my personal opinion. All right, let's see what you guys are saying here. Hey, Mr. Fool. Macy Diablo, what's good? Smooth operator. Exactly, smooth operator. Exactly. And guys, we love you lighting up the chat. I know that sometimes you might not have something to say, but it sure gives me something to go on, right? When you guys talk about stuff, it actually gives me some kind of, because we come on here, guys, only with an idea to give you guys a price update on stuff going on. I follow this stuff 24/7, guys. From the moment I go to sleep to the moment I wake up, you can bet your ass if there's any movement in any of these coins, I'm going to know about them, and I'm going to be talking about them on the channel. And what was the title of the show? What was the description of the show here? I think it was best opportunity coins right now. So maybe we should start fixating on that for a bit. So again, guys, let me tell you how this is working on my end. I'm not going to ever tell you guys trade a coin for this. Whatever coins you have, hold those coins. Obviously if you have a job, we would hope you would be employed, but if you're not, wherever you get your money from, look into opening up some other positions in some of these alternative coins like Stellar Lumens, like Neo, some coins that haven't really rallied yet. And I'm really bullish on Stellar Lumens, guys. We don't talk about it enough on the channel. Obviously this is a proof of stake coin. It's founded by a founder, meaning, to be fair, guys, these coins are different in the mechanism of how they operate comparatively to Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, BSV, Dash, Zcash. They're different, right? They're proof of stake. But that doesn't mean they're not going to go up, guys. We've seen this with Solana. We saw 9x over the last year. And I expect Stellar Lumens to do the same. And I'll tell you why. They're a little slow moving to get going, guys. Stellar Lumens has always been kind of a little bit of a slow mover. But once it starts going, guys, it starts going very fast. All right. So again, I think a lot of people are sleeping on Stellar Lumens. And I'm not telling you to go sell. No, I'm not telling you go sell your Bitcoin Cash and go in here now, or sell your Doge and go in here. But it might be important to think, guys, that Stellar Lumens has the ability to climb incredibly fast with the rest of the market that's already been climbing really fast. So again, I'm not telling you guys to open up positions and sell positions and switch positions or anything like that. I'm just saying that we can expect, if the crypto prices move in a general term, or a general movement up, that we're going to see these coins move too. I don't think YouTubers are ever gonna talk about Bitcoin Cash, man. We get like a little bit of YouTubers talking about it, and then those YouTubers are never, like, I've seen like recently, guys, people that have been formerly making Bitcoin Cash content that disappeared. They've kind of came back in now, obviously, because the price is up. But again, guys, these guys are just, they're not really cranking out the content like the people that we're talking about here, right? When Bitcoin hits top 10, YouTubers will have no when BCH, yeah. I don't think they'll talk about it. I mean, guys, you got to, through the operator, you got to think about this. We just had Bitcoin Cash go up 200%, and the only news article we had on mainstream news was Bitcoin.com talking about the upcoming halving event and upgrade. That was literally it. Every other article you were reading was AI generated. One of these stupid articles that says, "Oh, Bitcoin Cash is up 40% because of this and that and this." Those aren't real articles, guys. Those are just AI generated articles that are, generated from whatever coin's up that day. There was one fucking article reported on it. And it's the similar thing we saw with BSV at the first of the year, guys. January 1st, first week of 2024, BSV rallied up over 100%. Nobody was fucking talking about it. There was nobody on YouTube talking about it. The only people that were talking about it was me. A few other people. There was a few, maybe 2 or 3 people. I noticed BCH and Litecoin move at the same time. Yeah, Litecoin and BCH, if you've noticed another thing, Mr. Fool, is not just Litecoin moving with Bitcoin Cash. We've seen payment coins move together. Dash is up to almost $40, guys. I'm finally coming up on this Dash position, finally. Darpit Shah, win ETC pump. Guys, I'm going to put Ethereum Classic as, let me throw these out there, guys. You guys wanted to watch this episode because of the title. And we're going to stick to the title. I believe, I am bullish on Stellar Lumens and Ethereum Classic. The reason I'm bullish on these two coins so much is because of the price point and the fact that you can buy them on Robinhood and a variety of other crypto exchanges, guys. They haven't moved yet. And I'm telling you that people are piling in these coins that you're not hearing. All right. People are piling in Stellar Lumens. People are piling in Ethereum Classic. That's why we saw Ethereum Classic go to almost $200 back in 2021. And it all happened in a few days, guys. And if we looked at some of the stuff with Ethereum Classic on the Grayscale Holding Trust, really there was only about 4 or 5 days that the Ethereum Classic Trust shot up to almost $87, guys, from about $30. So these are, you got to think, guys, these slivers of time that these coins go up are a lot quicker than one would assume. Because when you zoom out on the graph, it looks like Stellar Lumens has had a couple good runs. But if we actually start breaking down the time scales, we've had a few good months of some really good action on these coins. And I think some of this action is going to recycle back in to the coins that are hanging out on Robinhood. And I know this is just based on this one thing, this one premise that I think that these coins on Robinhood are going to possess. But if we look at them, we look at where the money's been coming into, it's been in coins that have been on Robinhood, because a lot of traders are already on those platforms. So you add some of the dynamic stuff that we've been talking about, reductions in Ethereum Classic, and I know we're looking at lumens, but I am incredibly bullish on a 5 to 6x in the near term on Stellar Lumens and Ethereum Classic, guys. And I can't tell you how short term that is. That might be a week or two. It might be 3 months. I don't have a crystal ball to give you exact dates. I can just say that the money that we're seeing move into crypto, a lot of it is moving in on these Robinhood coins. Even with Polygon, Compound, in some of these coins. Uniswap, we've seen it first. We've seen the action capitulate very quickly. And I think this is going to continue, guys. We'd really have to see a 20 to 30% market drop in BTC, Ethereum, and the rest of the coin, the rest of the coins for us to really wash out, I think, a lot of people that have joined the party. If Bitcoin Cash, some of these coins go down 20, 30%, I mean, it's going to really wipe out a lot of people that just got in because they're going to be down 50, 60%, right? And they already are down. That's why we're seeing coins like Bitcoin Cash, BSV, some of these coins that went up really fast that people came into, they've came down, and some of these people are down now 20, 30%. It's just the way of the beast. They're coming in at higher, markets coming in higher. So when markets edge lower, they're going to be caught up in that, and they're going to lose a large portfolio position, which isn't a bad thing, guys, because you got to think, guys, even if you guys are coming in here higher, if we keep moving where we're going, you guys are going to recoup those positions. You just got to hang in. Don't start moving your money around. Don't start selling your coin for this. Don't start selling your Doge for that. Don't start selling your SHIB for this. Find these positions, keep these positions, and add to these positions. Don't come in all at one time as it's coming up. That's a great way to lose all your cash, and then diversify into some of these coins, right? That's what we're kind of trying to tell you on the channel. The actual only coin besides Doge and SHIB that I'm in now. Yeah, that's great, Eric, because I'll tell you why. Stellar Lumens, I believe it's on Robinhood. Fuck, is it even on Robinhood? I believe it is. What we're talking about. And I know it is, but I'm just double checking here. I want to make sure that all the information I give you guys is spot on. Yeah. And guys, Stellar Lumens is already creeping up. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. What we're talking about is actually happening. And I do think Stellar Lumens is going to go right back up to 70 cents. I think it's going to go to $1. I think it's going to go to $1.40, which would be a 10x from where it's at now. I don't think it's going to stop there, guys. I think it's going to go higher. I think we're in for a major, 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 major crypto rally, guys, and I don't think it's slowing down. Like I said, we're going to have to see some major pullbacks in the crypto market for me to lose my bullish sentiment. We absolutely are. We're not going to see these coins drop down a few dollars. We're not going to see these coins drop down 10, 15%, because the people that are in right now, I don't think they're going anywhere. I think if we shed 10, 15%, and these traders lose 30, I think they're going to hold. I don't think this is the same this time. I think traders are putting bullish momentum on some of these coins based on the institutional interest and institutional inflows we've seen recently into crypto, aka the ETF, aka all the Grayscale holding trusts will eventually be pushed to ETFs. That's what we're talking about. That's what we're betting on. And that's going to open the doors to a lot of alternative coins other than BTC that are going to go moon. They're going to go moon launch. So Stellar Lumens, Ethereum Classic, all these holding trust on Grayscales, guys, are going to be converted to ETFs. So understand that. There's going to be a lot more money coming into crypto this round than we've ever seen before. Yeah, Jasmine. People are holding Jasmine. I don't know how the Siacoin. See what I'm saying, guys? There are people in this chat that are following the things that we are talking about, guys. There are OGs out here that are still talking about Siacoin. And we just saw it. Dine Kim. What about Siacoin? What about it? It's going to go 20x. And I've been saying it for fucking ever. I've been saying it forever. These mineable coins that have finite supplies, they are going to move regardless of what people think, regardless of what people do, regardless of how many people come in. That might not make any sense to people out there on the internet. How is a coin going to go up if nobody comes in, if nobody buys it? Well, guys, it's based in the fucking computer code. It's the same reason we've seen it go from 1/3 of a penny up to 2 cents. And we haven't had one fucking person on the internet, other than me, other than people coming into the chat, that are holding, buying, and watching these coins go up, guys. And if you can't figure out what we're talking about here, let's look at the chart. This coin has been around for 9 years. It's gone up in every parabolic crypto rally we've ever seen since it's been incepted. And I'm not telling you guys to run in and buy this coin. When we look at coins like Sia Coin, I don't own any of it, but it looks like people in the chat do. And you can almost guarantee, guys, based on it being mineable, based on it running the Blake algorithm, based on it. Does anybody remember Blake Coin? Does anybody ever remember Blake Coin? So my point is, guys, is that the coins that we are looking at will absolutely go up based on tokenomics, guys. And I keep going back to this fundamental element because there's only so many coins out of these 2 million coins that Binance is saying that is out there. These 2 million coins up here, right? There's 2.2 million coins. Each coin has their own community. Each coin has their own circulating supply. And that's a lot of motherfucking coins, guys. How many of those do you think are good out of that 2.2 million different communities? There are trillions of different coins in this number. And guys, only a handful of those trillion are worth a fuck. Okay? It will fall back on tech. It will fall back on where the inflows are happening. You know, it sounds a bit funny that I'm saying it'll fall back on tech. Yet the number one performers of the week are Pepe, Floke, and Dog with Hat, Bonk, and Shiba. It's a meme coin rally, guys. But let me tell you, it's not going to be a meme coin rally next week. It's not going to be a meme coin rally next week, and let me tell you why, guys. It's just like BTC going up as fast as it did last week. It ran sideways over the weekend. These coins might keep coming in. I don't know. How many people, guys, are opening up positions in meme coins in the chat? Because now if you're opening up a position in Pepe, you're opening a position 415% up. Can you imagine? If this thing goes down just a little bit, you guys are fucked. Obviously, it could go up too. I don't like to run that risk, guys. Guys, we don't have to pump. We don't have to. I appreciate you guys throwing an ETC in the chat. I'm going to be honest. I'm going to be honest with you guys. ETC is a sleeping fucking giant. All right, let's pull up the graph here. Sia Coin is a sleeping fucking giant, guys. We start looking at mineable coins that haven't mooned yet. We start looking at the opportunity factor, guys. You know, I don't have anything to sell here on this channel, guys. I just have my knowledge that I'm trying to give you guys, and you guys can take it for what it's worth. Mark my words, guys. Mark my words. ETC will be one of the best performing coins in existence. I'm not even going to say in a bull run, just overall. It has been one of the best performing coins of all time. And guys, I was thinking about maybe suing Robinhood. That's kind of a random topic, but I was thinking about suing Robinhood. You want to know why? And I think it could be a class action lawsuit, guys, honestly. You know, and I'll tell you why. If you read the about on Robinhood on what Ethereum Classic is, it says Ethereum Classic was created in 2016 as a result of a spinoff, aka hard fork, of the original Ethereum network. Like Ethereum, Ethereum Classic is a decentralized computing network that supports smart contracts, essentially computer programs that can automatically execute when certain conditions are met. Guys, aka is ERC20 tokens, aka all the gambling we've been talking about, aka meme tokens. Good fucking luck. Ethereum Classic aims to uphold Ethereum's original unaltered code while the main Ethereum project continues to evolve. Now, let me tell you why I thought about suing Robinhood, because first off, what they're telling you in this description is an absolute lie. Ethereum Classic wasn't created in 2016. Ethereum Classic is the original Ethereum protocol. ETH was created at that date. It's because of the DAO hack. It's because funds got jeopardized and they rolled back the chain and created ETH. And to call a coin a spinoff, doesn't that kind of, I mean, I know what the definitive term is of spinoff. In fact, I had to look it up. But when you hear the word spinoff, doesn't that make it sound like a crock of shit? So there's a lot of stuff going on in crypto, guys, that's just not accurate. It's the same reason why we go on yahoo.com and we can't get dates pre-2017 on coins like Dash or Litecoin. It is censorship, guys. These people, them, are portraying crypto a certain way so we don't go into the right positions. That way they can take all those right positions. And what a right position is a position that is inevitably going to go up based on tokenomics. It's the same reason over the last decade we've seen coins like Dash, we've seen coins like Litecoin, we've seen coins like Ethereum Classic. We've seen pretty much any of these coins that have these mineable features or these mineable attributes involved in the actual crypto. That's why we've seen the biggest movements out of these coins. And sure, that might not be where everybody is going into as they're going up, but it is the coins, and I repeat, they are the coins that end up going up long term based on the tech behind them. There's a lot of coins out there going up a lot of times that don't have tech to back up why. And a lot of times people piling into these coins, they end up losing because they get in way too expensive for what the coins are worth, right? You know, you guys like Jasmy, guys, it's been performing great. You know, it's an ERC20 token. That's why we don't talk about it as much as I should. It's not because I'm against it. It's not because I'm against you guys making a ton of fucking money on it. I can't risk my coin. I can't risk my buying power, but I can't risk my coin. I've put my coins at risk before. I've put 1.2 million US dollars worth of theoretical gains on Dogecoin selling too early. I've been that guy, guys. I've been that guy that has missed out from selling the short end of the stick. Don't be that guy, guys. Don't be that guy. Be the person that says, I'm buying these coins. I'm buying these coins because of tokenomics. Be the person that buys coins based on tokenomics. Don't be the jabroni that buys coins based on, oh, it's going up. Well, why are you buying it? Because I think it's going to go up. You will get wrecked. You might not get wrecked at first. Maybe the exchanges will try to get you to think that you're doing really good so you can invest more money and then lose when you lose it all. But if you buy stuff based on tokenomics, guys, I absolutely guarantee you that you will do good in cryptocurrency if you stay focused on the coins that have tokenomics. I cannot be any more clear on that. That's why we're covering these guys on the channel regularly. You guys are just checking out the channel. You guys notice that we don't talk about random coins. It's basically just me coming on here, drinking a little coffee, and talking about the same shit every single day, guys. And that probably never will change. Of course, we probably will add 1 or 2 or 3 coins a year to the portfolio, like we did with Kaspa, like we did with Uniswap, like we did with some of these other coins. But we don't add coins based on fucking stupid people buying into marketing campaigns. That's why we don't tell you guys to run out and buy Bonk token. You guys buy Bonk token now and you make 1,000%, good fucking luck. I'm happy for you. But I'm not gonna risk my coins because I know where my coins are going based on tokenomics. What do you guys think? Do we concur that tokenomics is the best and safest way to come into crypto? Can we at least come to that conclusion today on Monday's show? Tokenomics are the main thing that I am interested in. On Cryptocurrency Theory, on the live stream, every day of the week, basically now at this point. There's no time off, guys. We don't have time to take off. Because if I take one day off from here, you guys miss everything. You guys miss absolutely everything. What other idiot on the online is going to be talking about Monero this frequently? What other idiot online is going to be talking about Ethereum Classic this regularly? What idiot on the internet is going to be talking about Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin SV this regularly? There's a few idiots talking about it. There's a lot of idiots not listening to these other idiots, right? And you guys are going to find that out. You guys are going to start to see, as this crypto stuff unfolds over the next year, over the next 10 years, that the zoom out effect will take priority on some of these coins we're talking about on the channel. And that's because the coins that we're looking at are already up thousands of percents. That is what people don't realize. They don't realize that NEO is at a great buying opportunity at, let's see how much NEO is up overall for the last decade. Let's check it out. 9,780%, guys. And if you look at the log chart, doesn't that paint a much different picture of what's going on? You don't have to be a math expert, guys. You don't have to have a degree in differential linear equations or fucking calculus or fucking any of this other stuff. This is just basic shit, guys. Look at the log graph. Look at the momentum. Look at how high some of these coins could be going. And again, I'm not selling you on anything other than the fact that there could be a point in time, guys, realize that every single coin we're talking about on the channel does a big enough jump where new lows become old-time highs, similar to BTC, right? Similar to Ethereum. And the reason that we're betting on this is based on the tokenomics, based on the same thing I've been talking about every day on the channel. Look at that. We go to 5,000, guys. 5,000 could be the new bottom on Bitcoin Cash. And you guys might think that's a little absurd. It's only reached 2,800 when the hash rate was competing against BTC and lost. But I'm not really concerned about that, guys, because we have so much room. You guys don't understand that I've seen these coins, my own coins, guys, not fucking somebody else's coin. My coins, all right? Talking about my coins here, not anybody else's. We're not talking about all these fucking theoreticals. Look at that, guys. You tell me you tell me how much of a joke Dogecoin is. Doesn't look like a joke to me. Looks pretty fucking insane. And in fact, guys, I'll never be able to come in at Dogecoin at this position again. Do you understand? You guys understand that I will never make enough money on planet Earth? And that might be a pessimistic way, but unless somebody's dropping $1.2 million in my lap, actually it'd be about 300,000 now, obviously, because Dogecoin's gone down. But when Dogecoin goes up, guys, I will show you again on my Robinhood account my purchases and my sales of Dogecoin, just so you guys, if you're new to the channel, you guys believe what I'm saying. It's 32,000% up, guys. 32,000% up. Do you realize that's a 320x, guys? That means for every dollar you put in, you're at $320. There is not any assets on planet Earth, other than a few stocks like Monster Energy Drink and Amazon, that have even achieved this. And it hasn't been this short of a time, because a lot of this, guys, is right here on Dogecoin, right? So when we look at the log charts, guys, we start to see the opportunity that is right in front of our eyes. Obviously, I'm not trying to sell you on Dogecoin, guys. I don't even own Dogecoin anymore. But I missed out when I sold down at a penny, guys. Can you imagine selling Dogecoin at a penny? I mean, that $30,000 US would be worth, what is penny times 3 times 2, 3 times 2. Yeah, it'd be about $500,000 worth of Dogecoin that I'd be sitting on right fucking now. And that's what I'm saying, guys. You don't want to be the person that sells a coin based on tokenomics, based on you thinking it's done running, all right? I would much rather have my Dogecoin back that I sold at a penny right now, and even at 70 cents, I would still rather have the Dogecoin at 17 cents rather than 70. And you might say, well, you know, that's about $500,000. Well, yeah, I get that. I understand the math behind it. I understand the mathematics behind what I'm telling you guys. I've done the math on it. $1.2 million worth of Dogecoin. I just don't see myself making that amount of money that quick, is what I'm saying. I'm not trying to put myself down and saying, hey, man, you're never going to be a multimillionaire where you can buy your positions back, but not likely in the near horizon am I going to be able to make the amount of money to go back in to my positions that I sold. It's not going to happen, guys. And I'm telling you that if you sell these mineable cryptos, if you sell Bitcoin Cash, if you sell Ethereum Classic, I'm going to say this as nice as I can, guys. Good fucking luck getting them back. You know, good fucking luck getting them back. It's not going to happen. Guys, what is going on? What's going on? You guys got a lot of people in this chat. I think Dent is going to rise, and just based on the fact that we're going to see a broader crypto push, and Dent is a coin that's been a big sleeper on HitBTC and a lot of exchanges that are a bit shady, but you know. The issue is most of us can't hodl forever. Most middle-aged people in Canada have to prostitute themselves for some food. I get it. I totally get it. And also to be fair, Mr. Fool, is if we zoom out from a lot of the stuff we're talking about, we could obviously see that, maybe what I'm saying is not as accurate as we thought, because anybody selling up here did very, very well. Anybody who sold down here did very well. But the thing is, guys, that everybody else probably didn't do very well. In fact, I know a lot of people that bought at the very top on Dogecoin, and I can guarantee you those people aren't here in Dogecoin now unless they're very smart and piled in, as it was going down. We're all waging. Yeah, I think, guys, I'm going to be honest with you here. All right. I'm going to be very, very brutally honest with you guys. Okay. Get back here so you guys can see me. Actually, let's take another sip of coffee. Listen to me. Listen to what I am telling you right now. These mineable cryptocurrencies are going to go up. And if you doubt me, put your money where your mouth is and short the coins that we're talking about on this channel. Because if you don't think these coins are going up, and you are so confident that they're going to go down, there is plenty of crypto exchanges you can short these positions. Hell, you can even short these positions now with these ETFs. My point is, guys, if you wait, if you sell your coins, realize you might make dollars. You might make gains. You will not make enough money, dollars, to come back in these coin positions. I have learned through the 7 years coming up. I'm coming up 7 years, guys. By this June will be 7 years I've been in cryptocurrency. I would rather I would rather come on YouTube and remove my testicles live on this stream than sell any more coins. Bitcoin Cash, Dash, BSV, Neo, Monero, Zcash, Dash, NIM, Ethereum Classic. I would rather decapitate my testicles live on YouTube and risk losing my channel than sell these coins any more than I have to sell for survival. And I'm not sure what I just said, guys. Did I just say I was going to decapitate my own testicles on YouTube? Might be a bit much, guys. I think I'd rather keep my testicles. Oh, Billy boy. Oh, Billy boy. You always hit home with the comments. My point is, guys, is don't be a fucking pussy. Don't be a wuss that sells too early. And if it goes down and you lose dollars, be glad that you now have an opportunity to buy more of those coins. Don't be so fucking worried about those dollars, because as we all see, guys, dollars are fucking stupid at this point. I mean, how dumb do you feel when you go to the bank and you pull out paper money now? How dumb do you look at people when you're at McDonald's and you see people paying with cash? Think about it. Yeah, God bless John McAfee, guys. John McAfee was a good dude. A lot of people say bad shit about him, but to be fair, guys, we have to look at what really happened there. We're not going to go down that rabbit hole tonight. We'll do that when crypto slows down a bit. Maybe we'll do some exploring into John McAfee. Why ETC not moving? Because everybody's buying it. That's why. That's why ETC isn't moving yet. Once people slow down the buying on ETC, that's when it's going to go up. That's the same reason BTC slowed down this weekend and we saw altcoins go up. It's the same reason Bitcoin Cash has slowed down It's because everybody piled in and over the weekend at 530 US dollars. But Ethereum Classic could have moved, guys. Mark my words, it's going to 200. You guys are gonna have a different thought on it at 200 bucks. All right, guys, I think that'll wrap up the stream here. We appreciate you guys coming in. We got Mr. Full, we got Mike, we got Smooth Operator, we got Macy, we got a lot of people coming to the chat, obviously, and I hope you guys, Dine Kim, Bill B89, Darpit Shaw. I mean, guys, we really do have a growing channel, guys, and this is badass because I know that there's people out there that are holding and buying the same coins and seeing the same opportunity factor that we're discussing pretty much all the time on this channel. Yeah, it's going to go. Don't worry. Don't worry. We'll catch you guys soon, guys. Take care. Thank you, Rigoberto. Appreciate you guys coming in. Take care now.